Today's video is being brought to you by NeverDenyMe.com. Make sure you take a look at the website for all your graphic needs, anything from digital to physical. Alright, so here we are with a better angle so you guys can see how this looks. Down below, I do have the bobbin thread, as I mentioned before. I'm just setting this down on the counter. It doesn't need to go inside of a holder or nothing like that. Just simply set it on the counter below. And we're just going to follow the steps. Up here at the top, normally, as you guys can see, there's a number 1, number 2, and you do it all the way through, you know, number 8 when you're planning on threading it down at the bottom. But for today, we're going to just be loading up the bobbin. So what we do for that is we start on number 1 as it shows. We go around number 1, we go around, and then we go to number 2, and there's like little pictures on here. It tells you exactly how to do it. It's not very hard at all. You get it over to where the bobbin casing is at, and then you just want to wrap it up, like go past it a little bit and then wrap it just a couple times. I'm doing 1, 2, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I think 7 is good for me with the piece of actually let's make it 6. Let me unwind it because I want to push it down underneath here to cut it. Now the amount of times that you wind it is just kind of dependent on how long of a string that you done pulled, and you just want to rip it. If I can get it going, it's not cutting, but okay, it don't want to cut. And anyways, while it's like that, when it's over to the left, the machine is just gonna have a red. You probably can't see it, maybe you can just a tiny bit. It's red at the bottom, letting us know, hey, it's not ready to stitch. What do you want this thing to do? But as soon as you switch this over, the light changes to an orange color. I know it's hard to see, but it does change to an orange color. And then now, I want you guys to focus on this. I'm going to be pressing the button down here to start it. And it's starting. It's loading that bobbin up. Let's take it off real quick so you guys can see. So, as you guys can see, the thread is coming off. It's going inside. And it's filling up. Now it does this thing all on its own, where it winds it up and down. You know, makes it go evenly. And you guys can see a small little gap in between. As soon as it starts to fill up, it's going to stop. There it is. It's looking like it's kind of going in a little bit off, but yeah, there it is. Light is orange. Well, it look kind of green down there, but yeah, it's orange. And then when it starts making that noise, you know it's time to stop it, so you can press the button to stop. And there it is. You guys have just loaded your first bobbin. I'm actually going to load up all of them right now. That way I don't have to stop in the middle of the project to keep on doing it. And I'm just going to cut it, you know, right here. Switch it over to the left. Pop it out. And then the little tiny piece that I didn't cut in the beginning, I'll go ahead and cut that right now. There it is. And then you can put the other end of this casing on. Pop that on just like that. And I just like to wind it up to make it look all nice. And now this bobbin casing is all ready whenever you need it. Now I always like to keep an extra one up here, so after I load my bobbin, I'll load an extra one and just set it up there in case I need it, or when I do need it, I don't gotta stop the whole machine, pop the whole thing off, do all this, just pop, boom, load it up, and just start it up again. So I got one right there done. I'm gonna go ahead and load up the other 2 as well, because I do have, again, quite a few patches that I need to make tonight. So again, we're just popping this on there to start it. I kept the string in there from before, so I know it's going to wind up well because it just did last time. Extending it a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to cut it on 6. Now, normally this thing cuts. I don't know why it's not cutting right now. But oh well, we'll cut it at the end. Matter of fact, we'll cut it right now. So we go like this, if I can see what I'm doing. There it is. Cut it. Throw that back over. Press the button. And it's ready to load up the next one. Simple. There it is, all done with that one. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this on here, cover it up so it doesn't unroll, and just roll it. Bobbin number 2. Ready. So there it is, guys. We went ahead and wound up 3 bobbins today. Didn't take very long at all. If you guys found this video helpful, do make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see what I'm getting ready to stitch out next, make sure you hit the card that pops up because we are in for a treat today. I'm going to be using the Brother PE770 as well as the Brother SE625 that I have underneath this table to stitch out the same project. And I'm going to let you guys do a little side by side and see if you can guess which machine did which patch. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.